So today I'm going to show y'all how to make bookmarks. You can use any type of paper. This is like notebook paper, and these are with construction paper. So I have some construction paper here that I'm going to show you how to do it with. So what you're going to do is, if you want a longer one, you're going to like fold this way. But if you want a shorter one, you're going to fold this way. And whatever width you want, what you're going to do, and you're just going to fold it and then cut it. And then you're going to do the same exact process with another color paper or the same color paper. It's up to you. The width of each bar doesn't have to be the same. If you're very OCD, it can be the same, but I kind of just feel for what I want. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna need is a glue stick. And what I do is pick whatever color. Pick whatever color, and you're just gonna glue at the top. And you're gonna want to put the second sheet over it, like wind up kind of, so that it forms like a V almost. And then you can start on either side that you want to. I always start on my left side. And you're gonna take it and fold it to where it like matches up. And you're gonna do the same exact thing on this side. I like to flip it over while I'm doing it to make sure that it kind of lines up with like this corner. And as I go, I like to glue wherever they meet to just reinforce the thing while I'm folding it. And then you're going to do the same exact thing starting on whatever side. And you're just going to fold, reinforcing with glue again. And then right here you could like fold it over again, but what I prefer doing is taking just scissors and like cutting it. That way it's like neat and it ends. And there you go. You can have all different types of bookmarks if you ever need one.